Alright, today I have Tatcha The Essence, and this is supposed to give your skin a plumping look. So when you put this on your skin, it's supposed to give it a plumping look, and I'm going to review this and tell you about my experience with Tatcha The Essence for skin plumping action. Alright, so this is Tatcha The Essence, and these are my hands, and I'm going to apply this to my hands, even though Tatcha was meant for face and neck. I'm going to use it on my hands for the video purposes, so my hands will look plumper, supposedly, almost as if my hands have a BBL, supposedly. So let's go ahead and look on the back of this. It says, Plumping Skin Treatment, Hadassah, number 3. I don't know who Hadassah is, but she has a pretty nice name. It says press a palmful onto face and neck. Use after cleansing and before any other skin care treatment. So after you've washed your face, dried it, this is to be applied to it afterwards. This product's made in Japan. It says Tachi. And I'm going to try, no, I'm not going to try to read the French down there. They had in Spanish, it helped me out. So I'm going to take this and apply this to my hands to give it a little bit of BBL action. But you're supposed to apply this to your face. But for the video purposes, I'm going to apply some to my hand. And let's see how, let's give my hand a little bit of BBL action. So I put some on there. And rub it in. It seems to go on smooth. Has a pleasant yet clean smell to it. However, I'm not seeing the BBL action going to work on my hand. Perhaps I'm supposed to let it sit a while before my hand gets the BBL action, but it smells nice, went on well. It's not very heavy at all, very light. On the scent alone, I'd have to give it a thumbs up. But this is Tatcha The Essence. It's supposed to plump my hand. I don't see it yet, but I've heard wonder stories about Tatcha The Essence with Hadassah number 3. I like the product, even though my hand isn't showing BBL action. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.